Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the present perfect progressive tense. We will discuss about its components, its structural formulas, examples and the daily life uses of the present perfect progressive tense. Okay, so how to define the present perfect progressive tense? This tense is also called the present perfect continuous tense and it is used to describe actions or situations that started in the past and are still ongoing in the present. It indicates a continuous or progressive activity that began in the past and has continued up until now. Okay, so what are the grammatical components of the present perfect progressive tense? The grammatical components include the subject plus the auxiliary verbs have been or has been plus the present participle. The subjects include I, we, you, she, he, and they are a proper noun, and the auxiliary verb has is used with the third person singular pronouns like he, she, it, while the auxiliary verb have is used with other subjects like I, you, we, and they. Okay, the auxiliary verb being shows the continuous aspect of the action, and the present participle is the ing form of the main verb. The present participle indicates that the action is ongoing or continuous. The present participle is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb, such as studying, working, or waiting. Okay, let's discuss about all the structural formulas and the present perfect progressive tense. Number first is the affirmative sentence, and the formula for the affirmative sentence in the present perfect progressive tense is subject plus have or has plus been plus present participle. Number second is the interrogative sentence, and the formula is have or has plus subject plus been plus present participle. Okay, number third is the negative sentence, and the formula is subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus present participle. Okay, number fourth is the negative question or the negative interrogative sentence, and the formula is have or has plus subject plus not plus been plus present participle and the sign of interrogation. Okay, let's make sentences according to the given formulas of the present perfect progressive tense. As you know, the formula for the affirmative sentence is subject plus has or have plus been plus present participle. So we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, I have been studying for 3 hours. She has been working in the garden all day. They have been playing football since morning. Okay, how to make interrogative sentences in the present perfect progressive tense. As you know, the formula is have or has plus subject plus been plus present participle and the sign of interrogation. For example, have you been watching TV? Has she been practicing the guitar? Have they been waiting for the bus? So these are how interrogative sentences are formed in the present perfect progressive tense. Okay, let's talk about making the negative sentences in the present perfect progressive tense. As you know, the formula is subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus present participle. So we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, I have not been exercising regularly. He has not been taking good care of his health. They have not been eating healthy food. So this is how negative sentences are made in the present perfect progressive tense. Okay, let's talk about making negative questions or negative interrogative sentences in the present perfect progressive tense. As you know, the structural formula for the negative question is have or has plus subject plus not plus been plus present participle and the question mark. So we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, have you not been studying for the exam? Has she not been working hard lately? Have they not been following the instructions? So these are how the negative questions are formed in the present perfect progressive tense. Okay, the most important thing in the perfect progressive tenses is the use of since and for. For is used for a period of time and since is used for point of time. For is used to indicate the duration of time that an action or situation has been happening. It is followed by a specified length of time such as hours, days, weeks, months, or years. For example, she has been studying English for 2 years. Okay. Since is used to specify the starting point of an ongoing action or situation. It is followed by a particular time or a specific point in the past. For example, they have been living in the city since 2010. Okay, so here we have more examples of the use of since and for in the present perfect progressive tense. I have been playing tennis for 3 hours. So 3 hours is a period of time and the term for is used in this sentence. He has been working on the project since last Monday. So the last Monday is a point of time and the term since is used in this sentence. Okay, we have been waiting for the bus for half an hour. She has been practicing the piano since she was a child. They have been traveling around the world for 6 months. Okay, let's discuss about the daily life uses of the present perfect progressive tense in detail. Number first is describing ongoing actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Number second is talking about recently finished actions that have an impact on the present moment. Number third is discussing actions that have been happening frequently or repetitively. Number fourth is explaining temporary actions or situations that are happening now but might not continue. Number fifth is expressing annoyances or complaining about ongoing actions. Number six is talking about actions that have been taking place or a specific time frame. Number seven is describing actions that have recently stopped but still have a connection to the present. Number 8 is discussing ongoing actions that have a communicative result. Number 9 is mentioning ongoing actions that have a duration and are still in progress. And number 10 is expressing surprise or disbelief about ongoing actions. Okay, let's give examples of the daily life uses of the present perfect progressive tense. Number first, describing ongoing actions that started in the past and continue into the present. For example, I have been studying English for 3 years. They have been living in this house since last summer. She has been working on her project all morning. Okay, number second, talking about recently finished actions that have an impact on the present moment. For example, I'm out of breath because I have been running. They are covered in paint because they have been painting the walls. She is tired because she has been working all day. Okay, number third is discussing actions that have been happening frequently or repetitively. For example, lately I have been going to the gym 3 times a week. They have been meeting up for coffee every Saturday morning. She has been practicing the violin every day. Okay, number four is explaining temporary actions or situations that are happening now but might not continue. For example, I have been living with my cousin while my apartment is being renovated. They have been traveling around the Europe for the past month. She has been working extra shifts to save money for a vacation. Okay, number fifth is expressing annoyance or complaining about ongoing actions. For example, I can't concentrate because my neighbor has been playing loud music all night. They are frustrated because their car has been having engine problems. She is upset because her colleague has been constantly interrupting her. Okay, number six is talking about actions that have been taking place over a specific time frame. For example, I have been studying for the exam since yesterday. They have been waiting at the airport for 2 hours. She has been learning how to play the guitar for a month. Okay, number seventh is describing actions that have recently stopped but still have a connection to the present. For example, I am dehydrated because I have been running in the sun. They are exhausted because they have been working all night. She is sweetie because she has been exercising. Okay, number eight is discussing ongoing actions that have cumulative results. For example, I am getting stronger because I have been going to the gym regularly. They have been saving money and now they can afford a vacation. She has been practicing yoga and her flexibility has improved. Okay, number nine is mentioning ongoing actions that have a duration and are still in progress. For example, I am sorry I am late. I have been stuck in traffic for the past hour. They are still unpacking because they have been moving into their new house. She is writing her novel and has been working on it for months. Okay, and the last one, the 10th is expressing surprise or disbelief about ongoing actions. For example, I can't believe it. I have been searching for my keys everywhere and they were in my pocket all along. They have been trying to fix the problem for hours, but it still does not work. She has been calling her friend repeatedly, but there is no answer. Okay, thanks for watching the video and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.